try this question. Let's try one question from locus of point. In +1 in coordinate geometry, we have done locus problem for mostly conic section, जैसे circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and many questions in straight lines. But here we have one locus question from the curve y is equal to sin x. By doing this question, we have now more concepts for finding locus for any curve which may or may not be conic section or second degree curve. In fact, कर्व चाहे कोई भी हो, लोकस निकालने का जो मेथड है वो तो एक कॉमन होता है. जैसे जिस पॉइंट का लोकस निकालना है हम उसे क्या अज्यूम करते हैं, h कॉमा के. द पॉइंट फॉर विच वी वांट टू फाइंड लोकस, we consider that point as h comma k, and from the condition given in the question we find relation for h and k, and this relation is locus. Here the curve involved is y is equal to sin x. We are drawing tangents to this curve from origin. So let's first of all draw this curve and draw tangents from origin. Okay, now this is the graph of y is equal to sin x. To this graph, we will draw tangents from origin. So let's draw some tangents. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. We have this third tangent. This is fourth tangent. Okay, now there will be infinite tangents on this side. Also, we have tangents on LHS. Left hand side, this is one, this is second tangent, this is third tangent. On left hand side, this is fourth tangent. Similarly, we have here also infinite tangents. Now we have to find locus of point of contact. That means this points. ये जो blue color point है, we have to find locus of this point, and we have to prove that this points lie on the curve y square is equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, जिस पॉइंट का लोकस निकालना है हम उसको अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज h comma k. Now h comma k is variable point. We will find some relations for h and k from the condition of questions. What are the conditions in the question? First of all, this point lie on y is equal to sin x, hence this point will satisfy this equation. So we have k is equal to sin h. Any other relation for h and k? We have just used this, that this point lies on this curve, but we have not used that this point is in fact point of contact for the tangent drawn from origin. ये point तब बना ना जब हमने origin से इसको tangent draw किया. तो जब tangent involved है, then we have to involve what? Differentiation. Now what is slope of this line? Suppose this point is O and this point is A. What is slope of line OA? क्या होगा इस line का slope? That is k minus 0 by h minus 0 using 2-point formula. Further, दूसरी बार टेंजेंट कैसे आएगा? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट यूजिंग डिफरेंशिएशन. नाउ फॉर y is equal to sin x, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is cos x. Then what is slope of tangent at point h? That is cos h. So we have cos h is equal to k by h. This is second equation. This is first equation. Now from this equation and this equation we have to find the locus, and the answer of locus is this, which has no trigonometric function terms. So straight away to get this relation we will eliminate cos h and sin h. Straight away how we eliminate? Squaring and adding. So we have, after squaring and adding, k square plus k square divided by h square is equal to 1. By simplifying, we have y square plus y square by x square is equal to 1. So we have y square is equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. Here we have replaced k with y and h with x. This is common strategy of locus. जिस पॉइंट का locus निकालना है हम उसको h के assume करते हैं. We use the condition of the question. What are the conditions of the question? This point lies on this curve and line from origin is tangent. OA is tangent. वहां से एक दूसरा रिलेशन आ गया. And from this two we eliminated sin h and cos h. तो हमें h और k में रिलेशन मिला. Then we replace k by y and h by x. So it gives us the required locus.